Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make these very simple and quick tortilla pizzas. The basic ingredients are butter, pasta or tomato sauce, shredded cheese and tortillas. As for the toppings, you can add whatever you like. I like to add salami, basil, chili flakes, cilantro, rocket salad and kale. Prepare the tortilla according to the instructions. So I sprinkled some water on mine and microwaved it for about 20 seconds. Then heat the skillet over a medium fire and add a little bit of butter. Put the tortilla in a pan and add the tomato sauce. Then add the cheese. I use Dutch cheese, but you can also use mozzarella or cheddar or any other cheese. You can leave it just like this, but I opted for some dried basil. Cook it until the cheese melts, which will take about 2 to 3 minutes. By then the bottom should be brown and crispy as well. Repeat the same process and add your favorite toppings. That is how simple it is. It's a great snack that is ready in no time. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.